Hello children, welcome to the online classes. So after the holidays, I hope you have enjoyed your festival. Now today we'll go with the new chapter. See, Unit 6, Addition and Subtraction of Greater Numbers. What we have already learned, addition and subtraction we have already learned, and the addition and subtraction of some greater numbers we are going to learn in this chapter. So page number 93. Okay, open page number 93. See what is there in this. Adding 2-digit numbers. Sometimes when we add, we need to regroup tens as 100. This we have already done now. When we got more, we carry forward. We carry it to the next. When we get more in ones, like 13, we carry 1 up and 3 down. In the same way, if we get more in tens, 13 tens, so we carry 1 to 100 and 3 down. See here, 22 balls. See, 22 balls. 20 balls is equal to 20 ones is equal to 2 tens, and 2 balls 2 ones. 20 ones, we can say 20 ones or 2 tens also. 2 tens also, and plus 2 balls are 2 ones. So we can write 22 ones as 2 tens, 2 ones. 2 tens and 2 ones. More 30 ones are 3 tens, 0 ones. 51 ones are 5 tens, 1 1. So let us do the same thing in the next page, page 94. Okay. So here see, exercise 3.1. Okay. Exercise 6.1, I'm sorry. What is a rewrite as tens and ones? We have done, how you have to do? 92 ones. 92 ones are 9 tens, 2 ones. 92 ones are 9 tens, 2 ones. 65 ones are 6 tens, 5 ones. 6 tens, 5 ones. 7 tens, 3 ones. Okay, 20 ones are 2 tens, 0 ones. 2 tens, 0 ones. 53 ones are 5 tens, 3 ones. 5 tens, 3 ones. Okay, in the same way you have to complete for the rest of all. This is very easy, no? So do it as your homework. Do it as your homework, children. From this, complete this page full. Okay, it's very easy, no? Then, write this. Then let us go to the next page. Okay. Complete this. Let us go to the next page. Regrouping ones. This we have already done now in our addition and subtraction chapters. We have already done this. See, 40 plus 70 70. So in this, what you will do? 0 is 0 only. From ones you have to start counting. So 0 only, and 7 in the mind, 4 on a finger. 7 in the mind, 4 on a finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many we got? After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 we got. So 1 in tens, 1 in 100. 1 in tens, 1 in 100. So 1 1. We have regrouped 1 to. So 1 we have regrouped to 100. Then another example, see. Pooja has 90 stamps in her album. She pasted 45 more. How many stamps does she have in album now. Add the ones. See, first you have to write 90 stamps were there first, then 45 stamps you have added more. So 0 and 5. 0 and 5 you have to add. If anything we add to 0, the answer is same 5 only. Then what is second step? We have to add 9 and 4. 9 in the mind, 4 on a finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 3 here, no numbers are there. So we are writing it under 100. 135. So Pooja is having 135 stamps in her album. Okay, now we'll do Trixie. Solve these in seconds. 7 plus 1 is 7. Plus 1, 8. In the same way here 0, 0, don't add. 7 plus 1 is 8. 70 plus 10 is 80. Okay. 2 plus 4, 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. In the same way 20 plus 40 is 60. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. And 60 plus 30 is 90. Okay, write this. Then let us go to page number 96. Here we have some problems. 96 page number. It's very easy additions. Exercise 6.2. 0, 0, 0 only. 9 in the mind, 2 on a finger. 9 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 9, 10, 11. Okay. Below 9 you should not write 1 and 1 here in the middle. Below 9, 1 and side 1. Okay. In this way only you should also write. This is hundreds. Don't write these hundreds in the tens. 0, 0, 0. 7 in the mind, 5 on a finger. 7 in the mind, 5 on a finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 2 below 5 and 1 side. 120. 0, 0, 0 only. 8 in the mind, 4 on a finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 1. 3 in the mind, 2 on a finger. 3 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 3, 4, 5. Then which is a greater number? 8 is a greater number. 8 in the mind, 4 on a finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 we got here also. So 2 below 8 and 1 side. 125. Okay. Which is the greater number? 5. 5 in the mind, 1 on a finger. After 5, 6. 9 in the mind, 5 on a finger. 9 in the mind, 5 on a finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 0, 9. 0, 9. So same 9 only. And 9 in the mind, 5 on a finger. 9 in the mind, 5 on a finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 9 in the mind, 5 on a finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 for 14. Then here also, see 0 and 9 is 9 only. 9 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 9, 10, 11. After 9, 10, 11. These are very easy, no? 6 in the mind, 1 on a finger. After 6, 7. 6 in the mind, 1 on a finger. After 6, 7. 7 in the mind, 7 on a finger. So 7 fingers I can't show you, no. So I am drawing the lines here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 in the mind, 7 on a finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4, 1. Okay. Then complete till here. Next we'll go to the next problems. Okay, let us go with the next problems. I 0, 5. 0, 5 means 5 only. 6 in the mind, 6 on a finger. 6 fingers draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in the mind, 6 on a finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 in the mind, 6 on a finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 to 12. 0 plus 6 is 6 only. 8 in the mind, 5 on a finger. 8 in the mind, 5 on a finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3, 1. Okay. Now 6 plus 0, 6 only. 8 in the mind, 3 on a finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11. After 8, 9, 10, 11. 0, 2. 2 only. 9 in the mind, 1 on a finger. After 9, 10. 0, 0, 0 only. 9 in the mind, 4 on a finger. 9 in the mind, 4 on a finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 0, 0, 0 only. 7 in the mind, 3 on a finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10. After 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 0, 9 only. 8 in the mind, 5 on a finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. After 8, 8 in the mind, 5 on a finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. 6 plus 0, 6 only. 8 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 8, 9, 10. 8 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 8, 9, 10. Complete. Then Q. 0, 4, 4 only. 9 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 9, 10, 11. 9 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 9, 10, 11. 6 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 6, 7, 8. And 9 in the mind, 7 on the finger. So 7 I am drawing. 9 in the mind, 7 on a finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 4 in the mind, 3 on a finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind, 4 on a finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 in the mind, 1 on a finger. After 6, 7. 9 in the mind, 4 on a finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9 in the mind, 4 on a finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 137. Okay, complete this. Okay. Then page number 97. Regrouping twice. We shall now learn to add 2-digit numbers using the principle of regrouping twice. Find the sum of 5876. Add the ones and regroup. 8 plus 6 is 14 ones. 110, 4 ones. 110, 4 ones. See, 58, 76. 8 plus 6 is 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. So 14 you can't write here only, no? 110, 4 1. 110, 4 1. Okay. Then here this finished for ones. Then you have to add now tens. 5 and 7. See, this one also you have to add. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7 we have to add. When we add 1, 5, 7, how much we got? We got 13 tens. 13 tens means 103 tens. 103 tens. 1 will go into hundreds and 3 tens. 103 tens. This is regrouping twice. So 2 times we are getting. In the ones column also we are regrouping to tens, and in tens we are regrouping to hundreds. Okay. So this next we have some more problems of regrouping. 6.3 exercise, regrouping in ones and tens. In both we have to regroup and go into the hundreds. Okay, children. So this we will do it tomorrow in our next class. So this you do it, understand and practice in your rough notebooks. As I have given here homework, so I did not give you any homework in this, but you just write the questions and practice in your rough notebooks or in your classworks. You write and practice one more time. Don't write the answers, just write the questions and practice addition. Okay, children. So this you complete. We'll regrouping twice. We will do it in our next class. That's all for today. Have a good day.